Hey, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how to make a Discord bot. Let's get started. So, making a Discord bot is really simple and all our tutorials are outdated. So here we are in a code terminal, code editor. You can use anything you want, even Notepad. I'm using VS Code, but let's create a folder, and in the folder we're gonna create a file named bot.py. You can name the file whatever you want. You just want .py at the end. You enter it, and the first thing you wanna insert is type import Discord. You see Discord. It's Discord official library, so that we can create and work with Discord API from Python. From Discord, here we're gonna import commands. No, not from Discord. Discord.exe. Sorry for my mistake. We imported the commands. Now the first thing we wanna do is we're gonna make a variable we can use again and again, so that we don't have to type that too much. We're gonna create bot is equals to commands dot bot. You see the capital and small letters are very important. Command prefix, we're gonna make slash command bots, but Discord the library doesn't allow me to work without a command prefix. I don't know, it's weird. I don't know how to solve that. Intents dot all, close that. Now we're gonna set up the login screen for the bot. We're gonna type @bot dot event. It's every time it logs in, it's an event, so we type it, and we type async def on ready. As soon as the command runs, it debugs, starts running. You want to get a message like which bot you logged in. It's get clarity, whatever I'm saying, as bot dot user. Alright, and now this will help you. This particular sentence will get you the name of the bot you just logged in into using the token that we're gonna insert later in the code to log in. Alright, and now as you can see, we log into the bot. But imagine if any errors occurred with our sync commands and any of the commands are not showing. Maybe it's not a syntax error, maybe something is wrong with the command specifically. So how are we gonna know if any of the commands is not showing up? So for that, we're gonna type try synced is equals to await bot dot tree dot sync. You see, I'm using bot because every time there's a defined bot here. You can just type in place of bot. You can type anything, you can define it anything you want. Alright, there's no, I don't know, you wanna print it's gonna sync all the commands. Okay, and it's gonna print synced len Oh my god, the typos. Commands, alright. we're gonna paste, put spaces just for some good look. Exception as E. Alright, and now if there's an error, how are we're gonna print E. Alright, and now we're gonna save that. Now we are done with the logging screen. Okay, now we need commands. You know what, how about hi command? If your user runs it, he or she gets a response like hi, hello, or something like that. A very simple command, and there are many things we can do with this. Now the command description, we're gonna give a command, the name of the command is hi. Alright, and a description maybe says hello to you, a little something, so that users can make it more user friendly. Async it def hi. Okay, what you're gonna do is define it interaction is dot discord dot interaction. Oops, left a D over there. Oh, wrong context. Oh wait, interaction dot response dot send message. Alright, and what you're gonna do is type the message you want to send, like hey, whatever the user's name is, interaction dot user dot mention. We're gonna mention the user so that she doesn't get confused with another person on who is talking to them. How are you today? Sounds about right. Now what you're gonna do is, we have officially made a single command. Oh wait, I left this, sorry. Now what you're gonna do is bot dot run. Okay, you put it there. Now what you're gonna do is, you're gonna put your Discord bot token. So to get that, you go to your web browser, in my case Chrome, Discord developer portal. You go there, you go to applications, you log in first. Here's my app that I want to get the token of. You can create a new app if you don't have, name it whatever you want. Go to the app, go to the bot section, and you can customize it, username, whatever. You get this token area. For security purposes, once. It will be viewed once when you create bot, and you can reset the token. Remember, bot token should be kept always private, otherwise people can log into your bot and get access to all your work or the servers it's into. Alright, so I already have the bot token. Okay, I don't have the bot token. Let's get it, I guess. So we're gonna reset it. Yes, so it will up. Let's reset the token. Hey, I was editing the video. I cut it apart, so I forgot to show how to invite the bot. Here's the bot. You're gonna go to auth2. You're gonna select here select bot. You're gonna select the prompts you want. Like I want my bot to able to send messages and message in threads, you know, use slash commands, whatever. So you're gonna copy this, you're gonna paste this in the new tab, and this will let you invite the bot in the server you want. Alright, okay, a new token was generated. So what you're gonna do is scroll down, copy the token. I'm gonna reset my token after the video I uploaded the video, so it's no use typing in my token. You're gonna paste it, you're gonna save it. You can run it from here or press F5 in the Visual Studio Code. You're gonna get the screen logged in as the bot, synced one command. It works, our function works. Let's go to a server, a test server I specifically made for bots. Alright, here's the bot. See, it supports commands, slash command, slash hi. You're gonna do is hey. So it's pretty easy to make a bot. You can do so much with just this command. You're gonna really need, let me know if you need any help, anything, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.